Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a quick update on my edges. If you guys are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So I had a few people comment on some of my videos saying that they wanted to see an edges update. So if you guys don't know, I had a little series on my channel where I was trying to grow back my edges using the derma roller and virgin hair fertilizer. If you guys haven't seen that, I do have a playlist on it and I'll leave it linked in the description box. So this is just a mini update showing you guys what my edges are looking like. So my edges did grow back. They look much fuller now. So currently I'm not using the derma roller or the virgin hair fertilizer right now, so I'm just going to show you guys what my edges routine is looking like. So what I do once a week is I'll just go ahead and co-wash my edges. I'm using the SheaMoisture's Jamaican black castor oil strengthening and I think it's repair conditioner. That's what I'm using to co-wash my edges. I use this once a week. I do it every Sunday just so that way I can remember. And then I'm just going to give my edges just a little massage just to stimulate the blood flow to my edges. And then I'm going to apply a shower cap for about 5 to 10 minutes. And then after I rinsed off the conditioner from my edges, I'm just going to spray my edges with this aloe vera juice. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my aloe vera butter and my henna and amla oil together in this clear container, as you can see. And I will leave both of those recipes down in the description box if you want to check those out. When it comes to the henna and the amla oil, the only difference is I did not add fenugreek seeds in that video. Once I'm done applying the oil to my edges, I'm just going to follow that up with this Urban Hydration's honey, argan oil, and vanilla bean extract daily moisturizing cream to my edges as well. So that is my Sunday night routine, but for my nightly routine, I will just take the aloe vera butter and the henna and amla oil mixture and I'll just apply that to my edges every night, and then I'll just tie my edges up with this scarf, and then I'll just put my bonnet on and I will go to sleep, and I do that every night. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.